Google account recovery. So if you want to recover your Google account, then you need to simply open up your Google. Once you open, now you need to go for the upper right, which has that profile option. Tap on the profile. Once you tap on profile, you need to go for manage your Google account. And once you tap on it, now you need to simply swipe right and then go for security. Under security, you need to scroll down and you will have password option. Simply tap on password and it will ask you to enter the password, right? So if you don't remember your password, then simply go for forgot password, which is on the bottom left. Tap on forgot password and then you can continue. Simply tap on continue and you can use your fingerprint, face or screen lock, or you may also scan the QR code before using your screen lock. And once you enter your screen lock, it will take you to the next kind of interface, which is this. And here you need to create your password. So simply create a password, enter the new password on these two blanks, and then tap on change password. Once you tap on change password, your account will be recovered. So in this way, you can recover your Google account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.